Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have decided that I want to revive my project pan, but this time I have a so much better idea as to how to go about it so that I don't fail anymore. So if you want to hear about that and if you want to see the products that I've chosen, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let me give you a little background as to how I want to approach this year's project pan. So this is going to be a full face project pan, but it is going to be my work makeup bag project pan. So all of these things are going to be in my work makeup bag, and I'm going to work through them while, you know, I'm at work and doing my makeup at work and so on. So I'm going to have a full face-ish because, you know, I don't do eyeshadow or eyeliner or, you know, lip liner and stuff like that at work. It's just going to be a very minimal, basic, full face, but I'm going to work through them at work. And I think this is going to be so much easier because I have my shop, my stash at home, and I rotate through these products, whereas in my work makeup project pan, I'm gonna want to try to either hit pan on a product, on a powder product like, you know, a highlighter, bronzer or blush, or use up a product like, you know, primer, foundation, concealer and so on. Okay, so let's get to the products. For my primer, I decided to use the Avantvous Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer Touche Eclat. So this is what it looks like. This is how much I have left. There isn't much, but you don't really need a lot of this product. Plus it's kind of runny, so you know, you don't actually use a lot. So my goal is to finish this off, and you know, it's kind of hard to make a marking on this, but you know, you can see I'm gonna insert a kind of still video here, and I'm going to save it so that I can show it to you like in the corner to see how much progress I've made. So this is the primer. For foundation, I've decided to include the Lumen Fresh Skin Tint, and this is what it looks like. The reason I've decided to include this product in my project pan is because I don't use skin tints when I'm filming or when I'm doing my makeup in general, but for work I think this is the perfect product. So let me show you how much I have. I have almost a full jar, so this is going to be my update shot. This is what it looks like. It is a very low coverage, very low coverage foundation, or you know, it's a skin tint, so it literally just evens out the skin tone without having that much coverage. But I do really like it, and I like the color, and you know, it's an okay product, and my goal is to finish this off within the project. For concealer, I am going to include the Essence Camouflage Plus Matte Concealer. So this is what it looks like. You might be able to see some progress there. Actually, there isn't an awful lot of product in here. What I've done is I've taken out the stopper, so there is a teeny bit left. I think I might have maybe 2 weeks worth of use within this product, but it's great. I want to finish this off, be done with it, and then replace it with another concealer that, you know, just replace it with another concealer basically. But yeah, my goal is to finish this off. This is medium to full coverage concealer with a matte-ish finish. I don't necessarily like the consistency of it, but I do like the coverage that it gives me. Plus it's affordable because it's from Essence. So yeah, I just want to finish this off. The powder that I'm going to be panning is from the brand Effect. I actually don't have it with me at the moment. It's at my work. I forgot to take it with me, but I will put a picture up here for you to see what it looks like. Unfortunately, I don't know how much I have left in that product, or you know what the story is there, but my goal is to finish off that product completely. It is a loose powder product. It is, I think it's a rice powder as well, which are one of my favorite. So yeah, my goal is to just finish that off and be on to the next one. For brows, I'm putting in this Catrice Brow Colorist semi-permanent black brown mascara, and this one I think is in the shade Blonde. It is a fully opaque container, so I'm not able to see how much product I have. I can't even see through inside the packaging through the stopper, so unfortunately I can't tell you, but I've been using this for a while, so there shouldn't be that much left. My goal is to finish this off fully. Hopefully I will be able to do that within this project. But yeah, it is a lovely brow mascara. This is the applicator on it, so it is teeny applicator that works really well with my brows, because you know I have thin eyebrows, so I don't want a big ass spoolie there. But yeah, that's my goal, to finish this off, and the color is great for me. So yeah, in terms of bronzer, I want to hit pan, not use up, but hit pan on this Bronze and Sculpt contour kit from MUA Luxe. Now my highlighter has shattered, so there's nothing there, but this is the bronzer. This I'm gonna show you a little kind of update sort of clip here. You can't really see in this product, but when you look at it from the side, you can see there is a little bit of a dip. Maybe you'll be able to see it like that, hopefully. It is a fairly tough product. Like when you put in your brush, there is zero kickback, so it's very firmly pressed. So this is going to take a long time to hit pan on, but that's okay. Hopefully I'll be able to do this within this project. But yeah, again, my goal is to hit pan, not use it up. It is a lovely color, great formula, because it doesn't have that much kickback, so you know it is a very long lasting bronzer, in the sense that it would last you long, rather than, you know, use it up within a few uses and already hit pan. So yeah, I like it and I want to hit pan on it. For my blush, I have this Catrice Light and Shadow Contouring Blush, and I have my one in the shade Bronze Me Up Scotty, and this is what it looks like. It has two sides, so it has the blush and kind of a highlighting shade. I want to hit pan on this blush side, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. There was a imprint on this little guy and it's completely gone, but it's a fairly deep pan, so I think it's gonna take me a while to hit pan on this, and that's my goal, just to hit pan. But yeah, I really like this product. It is a lovely color. The formula is a little more powdery than I would like, but nevertheless it's not a bad product, and it's affordable because it's from Essence, so sorry, it's from Catrice, so you know, I can kind of give it a little bit of a leeway on the formula. But yeah, not a bad product itself, I just want to hit pan on it. Next up, for highlight, I have this Estate Dew Me highlighter in the shade Lit, and this is what it looks like. It is a baked product. As you can see, my dome is kind of gone. It's kind of flattened out, but not fully. It is a really beautiful highlight, very soft, and a beautiful color. You can sheer it out or not, and it doesn't look super yellow on the skin. It just gives a really beautiful glow. I really enjoy this little guy. But my plan is to just hit pan on this and move on to the next highlighter. But yeah, really love it and will definitely enjoy hitting pan on this guy. Okay, we're down to the last two products. For my lips, I want to finish this off. This is the Maybelline Color Drama Intensive Lip Paint in the shade Stripped Down. It is hard to see the progress, but I'm just going to show you like that. I had this in my original project pan, but I just couldn't do it because I don't know why. But I'm putting this in this time around, and hopefully I'll be able to finish this up. I had this in my collection for way too long, and I'm just afraid that it's gonna expire before I use it up, and I really love the color. It's a lovely deeper mauve, but kind of on the warmer side. So yeah, I want to use this up completely. And the last product is a mascara, and this is my lovely Curling Fun Pop mascara. Now I just want to use this up. There is, like, I really enjoy using this product, and you know, mascara is something that I use every day, so it won't be a problem. I just don't want them to go bad before I use them up. So yeah, that's just going to be in that project. It is a lovely mascara because lovely, the brand is lovely, and it's a fantastic mascara. It gives length, it gives volume, and it gives a curl, so all in one, and it doesn't flake, which is great, and it's super cheap. So yeah, I want to use these up. But yeah, that is it for today's video. These are all of my products in my project pan, in my work makeup project pan. I will do an update every 3 months, so yeah, every 3 months you'll see a new video of either my progress or whether I've used it up and what products I would be replacing. If I use a product up, you'll be seeing the new product that's being rolled in, and I will only replace a product within the same category. So you know, if I use up bronzer, I'm not going to put in a eyeliner in, you know what I mean? I'm going to put in a new bronzer to pan. But yeah, that is it. I'm hoping I will be able to finish this off, and I'm hoping you'll enjoy this different style of project panning. If you would like to join me on this journey, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to find out if you're doing the same, or what products you're going to include in, and so on. But yeah, that is it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you liked it. And yeah, that is it. Bye guys.